A lot of candidates in the upcoming election will tell the electorate they want to be the voice for the public if elected as Ireland's first citizen. There will be a number of things they will be expected to do: attend diplomatic events across the world, sign legislation into law, and appoint the taoiseach and the government. But the largely ceremonial role comes with a number of perks that the winner will get once they enter the Áras. The salary, for example, of approximately €350,000 will make the next president, like Michael D. Higgins, one of the highest earning heads of state in Europe. The accommodation, of course, is another. Said to be the inspiration behind the design of the White House in Washington, the president will take up residence in Áras on Uachtaráin. Surrounded by 1,752 acres of the Phoenix Park, manicured gardens and over 90 rooms, there are some 30 staff who will work in the Áras, at a cost of over €2 million a year. Another benefit of being president, your office isn't subject to freedom of information requests. A common tool used by the media to find out exactly how much money was spent on travel and expenses, for example, the Office of the President does not come under the Freedom of Information Act. You can follow all the latest on the presidential election on the Irish Independent.